Kit should be here.
She didn't want to be.
Only because she thinks she's dangerous.
And maybe she is.
So you're just gonna give up on her? Because you're afraid?
Says the big hero who's too scared to look for the other Lombaxes? At least my fear makes sense.
Sorry. Sorry.
You're all okay? Oh, thank goodness. We were so worried.
They can't stop us that easily.
What took you all so long? Hey! I think I know how we can find the Emperor! When you're ready to take the fight to him, come talk to me! Okay, we have to draw him out. So I was thinking I'd disguise myself as a robot, but with a really big...
Do you know what that sound is? Listen closely. Is it fear? Hope? The slow inevitability of death? No, it's me. Winning. What else is new, you say? Oh, quite right. But you are only a part of one dimension. What about the rest? Maybe I'm just old-fashioned, but I think everyone deserves a little subjugation. So, to celebrate such a momentous occasion, I'd like to honor the good doctor who inspired this journey in the first place. By invading his home dimension personally.
What?
My first stop, Megalopolis. Or, as I like to think of it, New Nefarious City.
When do we leave?
Right now. Are we home?
I am afraid so.
The Emperor is truly turning our dimension into his own.
Nefarious is just up ahead. If you guys distract him, I can try and grab the dimension.
Did Frank tell you? We'll meet you there. You hear that, pal? Let's take out some snipers. Ribbit, how's it looking up there?
Not great, but I'm with... We've got you covered. Hurry and get that Dimensionator.
Sniper down.
There is one more sniper.
All right. Looks like the sky's clear of snipers. Let's move. The Nefariouses are just up ahead.
You are the heroes of this dimension? That is hilarious.
You got lucky last time, Nefarious. Is.
This calls for a special sort of annihilation. I've been looking for an excuse to wear my new suit.
Where did he go? What's your move, Nefarious? What's your move, Nefarious?
Up ahead!
Is that a rift? Or we need your help. Nefarious just... Whoa!
What's gotten into you lately? I'm so used to you being dull.
Come on! We have to fight this thing! Fire at those monitors!
Rivet, you will never guess!
Quantum? What are...
We've got a plan. Just hold them off a little longer.
Right! Sure!
What do you think of my new... I call it my power suit. I rarely have an occasion to break it out.
I guess your funeral's as good a time as any! Come on! Just have to weaken his stupid, power suit!
You really think you stand a chance?
Come! There is a battle to be won!
You've got this, Quantum.
Emperor Nefarious, your campaign of destruction, cruelty, and wanton snobbery is over! How's that?
I have goosebumps. Whoa.
You nailed it. Now jump.
You!
We can't stop now.
becoming considerably less amusing.
Keep firing at the monitors.
Are you all okay?
Yep, he's just fighting a Nefarious the size of his ego.
We're getting close. Hang in there.
Keep firing, Ratchet.
You heard him, everyone. You're looking hurt, Nefarious.
Not even a candle against the battles I have won. Countless victories. Thought to make will be another in my trophy case. Look upon my magnificent work. I despair.
Don't let him distract you.
Ratchet, Gary and the monks think they can help. Get as close to Nefarious as you can. I'll draw fire.
Over here! I can get you into Nefarious's heart. As in the robot's heart. Sorry!
Thank you.
There, the heart. If we destroy it, we can take down his mech entirely.
Troopers, go! Defend the heart! Most remote bits of reality. Suffering ways their tiny minds could never begin to comprehend.
It's working.
Will they not just
catch it.
Gary, I could use an exit!
Ratchet! Clank!
We got thrown to the other side of the city. Hold them off as long as you can.
You think you can defeat me? I will bring in all of my armies, all of my followers. You will bow before me!
He's gonna destroy the dimensions! Kit!
You were right. I cannot run away anymore.
I can't let you do this alone.
I will hold back his army. Take him down.
Do not stop! I will hold them back! As long as I can!
They all love me! You all love me! I am the destined emperor of this dimension! Of every dimension! This isn't near over. You've never defeated me before, and this time will be no different!
Enough, Nefarious! You're tearing reality apart! If you don't stop!
The thankless, uninspiring dimensions are... That's me! How could I?
You're done for, Nefarious! Now everyone can finally see you for what you really are!
Come, my troopers! Let's show them who I really am!
Kid, I could use it! And... Get back! Thanks for the save!
My name is Kit, and you are not my emperor.
Privilege and...
one of you come together to fight for your beloved Emperor! They're all gone! Hello? No one?
Nope.
Enough! I will collapse every dimension into nothingness!
He's overclocking the Dimensionator. Hurry! I can get you up to him.
Empty void! Say goodbye!
This is the part where you lose.
You really thought you had me? Get off of me, you loathsome... Please, we can win this together!
What do you know about winning?
You two really are a couple of hot shots.
Look who's talking. Ready to fix this, pal?
I would love nothing more.
Hey, I'm sorry for what I said before. You're my friend, and thank you for coming back.
Team?
Team.
I guess it's time to go home, huh?
Yeah. Our dimension could use a couple heroes right about now.
Well, how would you two feel about making a pit stop on the way?
Where are we headed?
I think you know.
Is that... us?